Coming to you on Casual Friday in the great bluegrass state of Kentucky. You ever wonder what it takes to get your real estate license in Kentucky? Today we're going to go step by step, exactly what you need to do and when you need to do it. Let's go. You must be at least 18 years of age and have attained a high school diploma or your GED equivalent. You must have completed all real estate pre-licensing courses prior to taking the real estate examination. Currently in Kentucky, it is 96 hours of qualified pre-licensing. You're going to hang on to that certificate because you will need that along with a lot of other documents when you send in for your license. You may also complete 6 academic credit hours from a college or university in real estate only courses in lieu of the 96-hour pre-licensing course. You must complete the FBI criminal background check. When you go into that, you can do that at a local police station, or you can also do that through one of the new digital systems. It is important to note with them that, hey, I am taking this for the purpose of obtaining a real estate license. That helps them to know how to prepare that. And of extreme importance, you must apply within 60 days of successfully passing the exam. That is a very critical date, so make sure the moment you have passed that test, you go ahead and apply for that. All right, you got your toe in the water and you're almost ready to swim. At this point, I would be talking to brokerages, seeing what they offer. Keep in mind that you want to ask about franchise fees, other costs, things that you don't know about that they won't tell you until you sign the contract. A lot of times at Farm and Home Realty, which is the brokerage that I own, we have 2 offices here in Kentucky. We do a pre-licensing mentor program, which means while you're still in the 96-hour licensing course, you can come in, work with us, learn from us. We will help you with the testing and teach you how to take the test, but better, have you prepared to go to work the moment you get that license instead of then starting another 6-week course to 6-month course learning the real estate business, because passing the test and learning the business are absolutely 2 different things. I will include a checklist and some links here at the end of this video. May God bless you guys. And if we can help you at Farm and Home Realty, FHRA Incorporated, just let us know. We'd be happy to do so. Hey guys, if you found this video helpful or any of our videos, please be sure and hit that thumbs up to like our video and subscribe to the FHRA channel. We got so many great new videos coming up, and we will see you guys next time. Thank you so much.